Hey guys, Gary back with another review for you today. Guys, this is a carabiner clip with a nickel plated keyring there. Guys, if you need a nice keyring for your keys, this will do it for you. Now this you can't use these things for climbing, okay? And it says that right on here, not for climbing, okay? All right, but yeah, if you need a nice solid um, key ring to put your key clip to put your key ring on, or your key rings, it comes in a packet of 5 here. I'll let you see the packet of 5. Actually, it's missing 1 and 2. It's 3 in there, but it comes in a packet of 5. But guys, if you need a solid uh, hook for your key ring, this is it. This even It even screws in place here to give it even more security from losing your keys. But guys, this will do it for you. Pretty nice key ring. You guys make it a great day.